Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, that is the red button. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make blueberry muffins. This recipe is actually going to be a no-fuse one. I can assure you that you have all the ingredients that this recipe calls for. It's very straightforward, and everything you need you should have at home. So before we go ahead, let's start with a list of ingredients.